Just about 80 years after it was founded, IKEA has become one of the world's top furniture companies. From a humble start to a global brand, IKEA reaches millions of homes all over the world. Today, the success of IKEA model and strategy is discussed among well-known universities around the world. It all started back in 1943, in a small village in Sweden. A 17-year-old young man named Ingvar Kamprad started a small mail-order business selling from pens to picture frames. He called it IKEA, which stands for his initials and the name of his family farm and village. IKEA stores are known for their unique and efficient layout, which is designed to enhance the shopping experience and make it easy for customers to explore their extensive range of products. The concept of store and showroom came into existence in 1950s. In 1950s, IKEA gained traction in furniture business. They started developing well-designed furniture with good quality at low price. In 1958, the company opens its first store in Älmhult town. And then, the second store. Today, IKEA has grown to 473 stores in 63 countries and still counting. IKEA's logo has undergone several changes throughout its history, reflecting shifts in design, branding strategies, and the company's growth. Here's a look at the evolution of the IKEA logo. IKEA was initially delivering fully assembled furniture to its customers, which consumed space and difficult to handle, which increased the shipping cost. The concept of flat-pack furniture, which IKEA is renowned for, was a revolutionary idea that transformed the furniture industry. Furnitures were disassembled into smaller, flat pieces that could be packed in a box. In this way, the product were easier to transport, also reduced shipping costs and saved storage space. As the demand of IKEA furniture increased, more people flocked into the store, spending enough time choosing their furniture. Shopping in IKEA became a family outing. IKEA introduced food counters in their stores to enhance the overall shopping experience and rest and refresh during shopping. IKEA showrooms are a fantastic source of inspiration for home interior design ideas. Here are some ideas and tips inspired by IKEA's showroom layouts that you can adapt for your own space.